For many years, we've been using Angular ESLint to lint Angular applications. This package requires the ESLint package itself along with the rest of the supporting cost. Now, if you're perfectly content living in ESLint hell, then you can move on to one of my other videos. But if you're searching for a modern Rust-based linting tool for Angular, then this video will help you set up Biome with Prettier for your Angular 22 or newer apps. In case you don't know what Biome is a Rust-based linter and formatter that can replace ESLint and Prettier in some scenarios. So then why do we need both Biome and Prettier for Angular applications, considering the fact that Biome can do the work of both tools? The short answer is that because Angular has a unique HTML template file with Angular specific syntax within it, like interpolations, directives, bindings, etc. Biome's own HTML parser is not able to read this. This is where we need Prettier so that we can format Angular template files. That's it, only for Angular template files. But to put things into perspective, ESLint couldn't do this by itself either. That's why the Angular ESLint package that I mentioned earlier was created. But despite the fact that we're using two tools for linting and for formatting, Biome is still much faster in the development environment as well as in the CI/CD pipelines. It has a basic configuration for most Angular 22 plus applications. You can of course add to it as you need fit, and you can create your own YAML file or have your LLM AI tool create a YAML file for you for a Biome, Prettier, and Angular. I should also mention that I use pnpm to install the Angular CLI locally in a local folder instead of installing Angular globally with npm, which in some circumstances can be a security hazard and might not be allowed if you're in that type of profession. So then in order to run any ng commands, you just have to precede that ng command with pnpm. In my case, I've shortened the pnpm command to just pn in my g configuration file or bash configuration, bash rc or zrc file. And then from there, you can just issue any ng command you wish. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.